Hello everyone, so this is Belle, my Monarch Butterfly Week, my designs for Halloween theme. And in the tutorial today, I'm about to show you on how to create a glasses like this for your doll or for my doll. So you would see the glasses is in the black. See? However, in the black, it's not so easy for everyone to see. So I would change the color in white so that you can see it more clearly. And the material that I'm going to use is aluminum white. Here, this kind of frame white that I use to create the glasses. So aluminum white, then a scissors. I will also need some kind of bottle like this, and I will use the bottle cap or the bottle lid. This part, I will use this. And the size of this lid, it will determine the size of your glasses. So for example, I have this, and I also have this. So these are three different sizes of the lid. So it would help me to have different size of the glass. You see? It's different size. Here. So for the black one, I use this type of lid. And for the smaller size, this white, I use this lid. So let me show you on how to make a glasses in this small lid. So it would be easier for you to see. Okay, so one more thing, that if you want to have a glasses with a yarn cover around like this, let's also prepare a piece of yarn or a piece of thread in colors, just to wrap it around your glass frame after you finish making the glasses. And also prepare a glue to glue it around here, so when you cover or when you wrap the yarn or the thread, it will stick tightly into the glasses. Okay, so let's start. Step 1, you take the aluminum wire or any type of wire that you are going to work on. So I will take this. And then I will estimate a size. I will estimate the size of the aluminum wire that I'm about to use. So it's supposed to be more than 20 centimeters for me. Just take a long frame like this. And then I would like to try on this lid, this type cap. Alright, and then now you will take in here, let's take a surplus yarn like this. Let's take a surplus white like this. So it's about this size. Okay, put the wire on your lid like this, and then you wrap it around the lid. So it will be like this. Okay, just wrap it and then move it up like this. So now you have the first circle of the glasses. Easy? Alright, this one is the first size. The other size, we do it in the same way, not so the same way. Here, put it on the lid. And instead of you wrap it in this way, we will do it like this. Look at this closely. So I'm about to bend it like this. See? So in the second side, I still bend it in the same way, but hang on. So in here, now I have the second size, the second circle of the glass. So after finishing the second circle, just bend the wire like this. Okay, make it same here. So we bend two sides of it. Wrap this one. Similar here. Okay. And then you cut it. That's how I complete making the glasses. Here. So after having the glass like this, and you can add the color by just wrap the yarn around the glasses like this. Make sure to put a glue on the wire when you wrap the yarn or any type of thread, so it will stick the thread or it will stick the yarn on the glasses tightly like this, or otherwise you can just leave it like this. So you will have a glasses for your doll. For example, in this one, I have this glass for her, which is pretty big, and I supposed to make a little bit smaller glasses for this doll. So let's try this. Let's try this. Will it fit to this doll? Yeah, it's also fit to this doll. So it's totally depend on the lid that you are going to use to make for the size of the glass. And that's how I complete making a tutorial for doll glasses. Okay.